Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Do you ever pick up something, take a look at it, and realize how horrible of a job a body shop can do? Here's just a little example. This is our 2012 Lexus RX350. There was a little dent in the side that was popped out, and they had to blend it, and they ended up painting the rear quarter panel in this area right here and re-clearing it, so base clear, and then they painted the rear bumper. When they were painting it, they forgot to do clear coat on the inside here. It's quite rough. It's all full of dirt in this corner, right around this trim piece. And as you can see, all those are showing areas where there's dirt in the paint. All the paint line along the black trim is all over top of the actual black trim, and not just where it's supposed to be the burgundy. And it's hard to see on video. This whole area here, they must have been using an orbital sander or something, and it's all full of circles in the sanding area. Overspray over the black trim, and all along here they should have actually had popped this off and ended the base coat either under there or continued it to the inside of the rear of the bumper. As you can see, all the clear coats coming off all along the edge. And they must have been doing the cutting phase, and there's polish there which they actually clear coated over top of. And again, that's just showing some more dirt marks in the paint. This is actually the second time it went back. The first time the whole roof was covered in overspray, and all you could feel is real deep tape marks all along the top there where they would have taped off. So luckily for us, the body shop, which is the largest one in our area and probably supposed to be one of the best, is going to clean up their mess, and hopefully this is the last time it's got to go back. But just a quick video, when you pick something up, make sure you go over it with a fine toothpick. It's hard to see. Again, little small areas where there's dirt in the paint. Now with us, this is a 2012 Lexus RX350, and it only has 40,000 kilometers. This is a vehicle that we're planning on keeping for probably at least another 10 years. We're going to drive it into the ground, so we want to make sure it looks good and we're happy with the job. Anyways guys, just a short video on when you get a car from the body shop, make sure you go over every panel. And the reason I put all the tape on is when we brought it in so they could actually see all the issues, rather than me just pointing out a few here and there. They can actually see how many issues there were. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If you like this type of videos, I have quite a broad range of videos on retro gaming, computers, electronics, tractors, vehicle maintenance, house rentals, a little bit of everything on the channel. Maybe check it out. Thanks for watching. Take care.